ESSE have been making beautiful range cookers since 1854, and we bring all of that heritage and tradition together with state-of-the-art electronics and controls. ESSE electric range cookers use advanced power share technology where the power's directed exactly to where it needs to be on the cooker, giving you a comfortable radiant heat while being very economical to use. With the slumber settings and the minimum settings, it uses 0.2 kilowatts of electricity per hour. We use a flexible ceramic thermal insulation, and it's the highest quality, highest spec thermal insulation you can get. The fast heat up times, 15 minutes for the main oven, 7 minutes for the hot plate. You've got the flexibility to use it however you want to suit your lifestyle. The full function timer allows you to preset temperatures for each part, so you can have any part coming on at any temperature in any combination at the time you choose. So it's very versatile, very controllable, very flexible. You've got the induction, and that's the most powerful induction zone you can get on a 13-amp socket. The ESSE ovens, with their 6-sided element, give you obvious advantages in terms of baking. You've got the 42-litre main oven, which goes up to 240 and has a full width grill. You've got the large second oven, which goes up to 220, so you can bake in roast in any combination. You've got the warming oven slow cooker, which is a great extra feature. The ovens on the ESSE cooker are deeper rather than wide, and that retains heat when it comes out. Full control, full flexibility, energy efficient and low running costs, and a cosy kitchen.